everyone, and welcome to your third RE lesson. Today we are going to be learning about a special Hindu ritual. Nadia and Joseph are preparing for the arrival of their grandma. They are so excited that she is coming to stay. Their dad has gone to collect their grandma from the airport and she will be arriving any minute. When this very special visitor arrives, how could the children welcome her into their home? Pause the video while you think. Here are some of the ideas I thought of. They could greet and welcome her. They could offer her a drink. They could prepare food for her. They could buy her some flowers. They could offer her a comfy seat. When Hindus worship and pray to their god, they act just like they are welcoming a special visitor who they love very much. Hindu worship is called puja. Hindus can perform puja at home or in a Hindu temple. Many Hindus have shrines in their homes where they perform puja. A shrine is a holy space for worshipping. It often includes a picture of the thing being worshipped. Shrines can be very simple and small, or they can be large and richly decorated. Before performing the ritual prayer of puja, Hindus remove their shoes. Why do you think they do this? Pause the video while you think. Hindus remove their shoes to show respect for God. Hindus chant prayers which are called mantras, and they give their offerings to the gods. They do this to show their respect and love for the gods, just as a host would want to offer food and drink to a visitor. When puja has finished, Hindus share and eat the food. They believe this food is blessed after it has been offered to the gods. Each shrine contains a puja tray, which holds several important items. Hindus ring the bell to let God know that they have come to worship and to invite him into their home. To show love, care and respect, the gods are offered a drink of water given on a spoon. The incense gives a lovely smell. It is a gift for the gods but also makes the air around the shrine pure. The Diva lamp is lit to show that God is there. Red kumkum powder is mixed with water to make a paste. Hindus place a dot on their forehead. Hindus believe that they feel closer to their gods when they speak to them using all of their senses. All the senses are used during the ritual of puja. What are our 5 senses? Smell, sight, taste, hearing, and touch. We are going to match the items used during puja with senses. Let's remind ourselves of the special items. The flame of the Diva lamp, the bell, the incense, the kumkum paste, and the blessed fruit. Pause the video while you try and match up the pictures to the senses. The flame of the Diva lamp can be seen. The bell can be heard ringing at the start of puja. The lovely smell of incense can be smelt. The kumkum paste is felt as it is placed on each person's forehead. The blessed fruits can be tasted when puja has finished. During puja, Hindus say prayers to their gods. Hindus believe in a supreme god called Brahma. They worship Brahma in the form of many different gods. Let's look at some of their gods. Brahma is the god of creation. He has 4 arms and 4 faces, looking in the 4 directions. Shiva is the god of destruction. He is seen as both good and evil. Shakti is the mother goddess. She is the source of all energy, power and creativity. Ganesh is the son of Parvati and Shiva. He is the lord of all living things. He has an elephant head and a human body. Hindus believe he brings good fortune and wisdom. Vishnu helps to protect people and the universe. Saraswati is the goddess of knowledge and the arts. She is painted with a swan. Lakshmi is the goddess of wealth and success. She is painted with 4 arms and standing on a lotus flower. Indra is the ruler of the heavens, thunder and rain. He uses a thunderbolt, creates thunderstorms and provides rain. For today's activity, you are going to choose a Hindu god to draw and write about. I am going to draw Ganesh. Once you have drawn your picture, you can write some sentences about your chosen Hindu god. Here is my first sentence. I'm going to read it to check that it makes sense. Ganesh is the Lord of all living things. I have remembered my capital letter and full stop. Now I am going to describe what Ganesh looks like. Can you read my sentence with me? He has an elephant's head and a human body. I've remembered my capital letter and full stop, and I've used the conjunction and to add two ideas together. Here is my final sentence. He wears gold bracelets and necklaces. I've remembered my capital letter and full stop. I've used the conjunction and to join two ideas in my sentence, and I've used an adjective to describe the bracelets and necklaces. You can now choose a Hindu god to draw a picture of. Once you have drawn their picture, I would like you to have a go at writing some sentences about them.